Make sure that you've left your paragraph symbols turned on from the previous video because they do help guide us. I want to highlight just the word surf and not the paragraph symbol. So I can carefully drag over, or I can use my shift key. While holding down on my shift key, I use my arrow keys. It gives me much more control over the highlight. Now I'm going to look for change case command. There's change case. No matter what I type, if I type all small, it's going to make it all caps. If I combine it, it's going to make it all caps. So change case changes everything to capital letters in this case. Now I highlight my line, and I'm going to change the font size of that entire line. And I also want to center that line. Notice I have Arial 22 as my font. I centered it. And you can always pause and rewind if you miss something if we go too quickly over this. So now I'm highlighting just the phone number. I'm going to come up to my tools. I'm going to underline it. Now notice underline has a down arrow next to it. That's because we have more underline options than just straight underline. We got a thick underline, a double underline, dotted underlines, several underline options. So we're going to go to the double underline, so we just have a different style than just regular underline. Adds emphasis. Now I'm going to change the color of that text we have highlighted, just the phone number. Phone number's in red, and the rest of the line isn't colored, so it's going to draw attention to our phone number. I want to highlight lesson options and the colon after it, but not the paragraph symbol, so I might want to use my shift arrow keys. Arial 16 bold is what we're going to pick. We'll also color this line, but we'll pick a different color. Don't go crazy and do a lot of different colors. It detracts from your flyer. Now we're just going to highlight just the word award-winning. We're going to put that in blue and bold, just award-winning, just to draw attention to the text award-winning. Now we're going to highlight our 3 bullet lines. We're going to make those the same font size as we did the picture of 24 point font. And now we're going to highlight to change our next text, which would be the award-winning Surf School Experts Will. And we're going to make that in 14-point font and bold it. Okay, the first line of a document I forgot to point out earlier, where Surf's Up is located, they call that the headline. Okay, and that is that.